So a sump pump and a sump pit are installed under the floor slab of your basement. And what they basically do is they collect all of the water from the weeping tiles that are installed around the perimeter of the home where the footing is. The weeping tiles are in place to be able to collect all the groundwater from around the house, get it to the sump pump system, and then pump it safely away from the house. Typically, you'll find a sump pump system installed in the utility room of the basement, where your furnace is, where your hot water heater is. Sometimes, depending on the layout of the basement, it can be installed in other spots as well, especially if the basement was partially finished beforehand. But basically, you'll know that you have a sump pump system when you can see a lid like this that you can open and access the sump pump inside to service it, and you'll see piping coming out of the sump pump lid, and you'll see it, terminating somewhere typically outside the house. To learn more about our enhanced basement flood prevention subsidies, or for more flood prevention information, visit halton.ca/flood and help reduce the risk of flooding today.